Hello children, in this video we are going to study mathematics chapter number 5. Does it looks the same? Page number 82. Now children, will this fan look the same after 1/4 turn? Draw in the yellow box. Now children, in 1/4 turn, this part will come to this side and this part will move to this side. Now children, if you will draw here like this, see children, no doubt there will be one blade. The other blade will be here. Now children, the fan will look like this. Here the brown blade will come. Here this blue. This color changed children because yellow and blue, it becomes green. So that's why it's became green. Otherwise I have put here yellow, that blue only. But children, the blue blade will come here. The brown blade will come here. And so it will not look same after 1/4 turn. Now children, practice time. Among the following shapes, find out which one will look the same after 1/4 turn and put it a tick and put cross on the shapes that will not look the same after half a turn. Now see children, we will see this part. See, this is children. After half a turn, it will come like this to see this side. Okay, does it look same? No. And after this in half turn, it will go like this downside. See children, this part will come to this side and then this part will go to this side. Okay, so this is not looking the same in half turn, so we will put a cross here. Now children, the second house. Now in this 1/4 turn, children, the house will come like this cap I am doing, this will come like this in 1/4 turn. Okay children, in 1/4 turn it will come like this, and in half turn it will go downside. See children, like this. So is it same? No. In 1/4 turn it is not looking the same, and in 1/2 turn also it is not looking the same. That's why we are putting it here a cross. Now children, third number picture. Now children, if you look here no doubt there are two rings, but the colors are changed. So after one rotate means in 1/4 turn, children, this ring, navy blue color ring, will come here upside. Okay, so it is not same in 1/4 turn, and in half turn children, this side ring will come to this side and this side ring will go to that side. So it will not look same in 1/2 turn also. Now children, if you look at the figure number 4, there it is a square shape and it is again having 4 small square inside. Now children, if you rotate it here like this to the 1/4 turn, it will look the same. So we have to tick it. And children, if you turn again it to downward side like this 180-degree rotation, it will again look the same. Now children, if you look at figure 5. Now children, in 5th number figure, if you see, you will find that in 1/4 turn, if this is turned like this children, it will not look the same because the colors are different. And children, again if you rotate to 1/2 rotation, you will find that this part will come to this side and this part will go to this side. This part will be here children. Okay, so it will not look the same. Now children, if you look the 6th number figure, you find that there are 4 triangles, there is one square, there is one octagon. Now children, if you will rotate this to 90 degree, this part will come to this side. So again it will look the same. So this is looking same in 1/4 turn. And children, it will look same in 1/2 turn also. Now children, if you look at the figure 7. Now children, if this figure is rotated, this part will come, so it will not look the same. And again in half, it will not look the same. Okay children, so this is cross. Now children, if you look at the 8th number figure, it is circle, so it will look same in 1/4 turn also and in 1/2 turn also, no doubt, because circles look same in each and every turn. Now children, try and change the shape in such a way that the new shape remains the same on giving it a half turn. Now children, if this is given half turn, this part will come down, but there is no here like this. So we have to color the same color here, and like this square we have to make here also. Now children, to have the same figure after the rotation, here the colors are same, but only one thing is there, that one circle is missing with the blue color. So you have to make a blue color circle over here. Then the figure will see same if it is rotated to the half turn. Now children, to have this figure same, as the colors are different, it will not look the same after half a rotation children. So what we have to do, we just have to change the color here. We have to color it blue. Now children, if the colors are changed, and if it is rotated half, it will look the same. Now children, to make it an identical figure, what we have to do children, we just have to put a circle over here with the same color. Okay children, I am not giving the colors, but you have to color it. Now children, here in this, to have the identical figure, as these are placed one below the other, they should be placed like this. The triangle should be like this shape, and it should be colored red so that it will look same after half a turn. Now children, draw what the following shape would look like on 1/4 turn and half a turn. Now children, see, this part is here. Look at this flat part, or look at this pointed part. In 1/4 turn, this pointed part will go here to the right hand side, and in half turn, this pointed part will come to the down side. This is the half turn children. Now children, if you will rotate this square, it will be same in 1/4 turn also, and it will be same in half turn also. Okay children. Now if you will rotate this children, it will be in this position. In 1/4 turn it will look like this, and in half turn it will look like this. Now children, this is hexagon. Now these pointed part we will see children. Where the pointed part will go? Like this it will go. And like this it will become. Now children, in half turn what it will happen? They will come to their original position. Now children, see, hexagon in 1/4 turn and hexagon in 1/2 turn. Now children, which of the above shapes do not look the same on 1/4 turn? This triangle is not looking the same. This is looking the same. This is not looking the same. This is also not looking the same. Now children, and which shape do not look the same on 1/2 of the turn? This only triangle is not looking the same in 1/2 turn. Understood children this? Now children, which fan will look the same on 1/3 turn? Now children, in 1/3 turn means what? See children, in this circle, if this circle is put into 3 parts, only 3 parts, if this circle is having 1, 2, 3, then this is having, this one part is called 1/3 turn. Now children, we will understand by this figure. Now children, in 1/3 turn, if this, in 1/3 turn, this green blade will come here to this position, and this purple blade will go to this position, and again this purple blade will go to this position. Understood children? Means this green blade will come to this, suppose I give it the name 1, 2, 3, This one blade will come here. The second blade will move here and this third blade will move here. Now children, which fan will look the same on 1/3 turn? Now see, as the colors are same, this fan will look the same. Now children, as the colors are different in 1/3 turn, this green part will come here. So it will not look the same. Now children, draw this shape after 1/3 turn. Now children, draw this shape after 1/3 turn. This shape will look the same in 1/3 turn. Hope you have understood children 1/4 turn and half turn of an object. Now children, in next video we will see 1/6 turn of an object. Till then, bye children.